My YouTube. It's one of my first upgrades that I made to my car. I added a cold air intake by Air Raid. I did feel a big difference in the boost of performance and horsepower. Not really in the with the fuel, with the horsepower and torque. I felt it, so it picks up a little bit quicker than before. But the install is it's easy. For some reason, they sent me the blue air filter instead of the red one. I ordered the red one, but they sent me this one. I'm waiting on the replacement right now. But the install is real quick and simple. It took me about almost an hour, about an hour. All of this came with it. Well, not all of that, but just all of this right here. I'm sorry. But that was one of the upgrades. Leave comments, hit the like button if you like, and comment if you have anything to share.